Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to be making Sizzling Tofu Sisig. This is the second episode of Sour Sago, where I'll be exploring the sour element in different Filipino dishes. If you need to catch up on episode 1, Pork Belly Sinigang, go ahead and click right now. I know it has been a while since the last episode that I haven't been releasing any videos, but you might have seen on Instagram we did lose our beloved dog Todd, who you might have seen in other videos, and so we've been taking our time to process that. And then last week I got COVID. All that is to say, it has been a really chaotic past few weeks, and thank you for hanging in there. I've talked about this in some of my previous videos, but sisig is one of my absolute favorite dishes, although the version that I'm most familiar with today is a lot different than the sisig that was documented several hundred years ago. A Spanish friar in the 1700s documented that sisig was like a salad of papaya or guava that also contained vinegar and garlic, salt, and pepper. The word sisigan means to make sour. And the sourness in the sisig also had a medicinal property in that you were supposed to have it if you were feeling nauseous. Nowadays, we actually still advise having sour foods when you're nauseous. For pregnant people, for example, they might have citrus when they're feeling sick. You might also notice that when you have something sour, that you start to salivate. And that's our body starting to protect us from the acid in the food. Our body is starting to prepare to digest it, and that helps relieve some of those nauseous feelings. These earlier forms of sisig consisted of papaya and guava, as I mentioned earlier, but they could also be made with pig ears, banana heart, oysters, crab, and even bitter melon. In the 1900s, sisig began to be barbecued and grilled using leftover meats and offal. If you want to know more about this history of sisig, you can check out my sizzling pork sisig video right now. And for this tofu sisig recipe, I didn't do it in this video, but you could definitely make a vegan or vegetarian preparation of it by swapping vegan mayo and vegan oyster sauce. I am really obsessed with this sisig recipe because if you watched my pork sisig video, you'll know that it does take a long time to prepare, whereas this you could easily prepare on a weeknight. Although one thing is that I can't promise you that it's necessarily more healthy. If you'd like to see the next episode of Sour Sago and see more of my journey on exploring Filipino food history, make sure to subscribe to the Sago Show. And if you enjoyed this video, please click on that like button. I hope that you all are well and staying safe out there. My name's Rachel. Salamat.